Hello, good day guys. Welcome back to my channel, RHC Engineering. Today's tutorial, I will be discussing about the IM2024 monitoring sheet. So ito monitoring sheet lang to ng basing tool natin. So separate yan. Pero malaking tulong to para makita ninyo yung pattern. Okay? So as you can see, we have here the data from the gazing tool. Ito sa left side. Tapos, kailangan natin i-segregate yung result lang. Then, i-identify ni application kung odd or even siya. Then, we have here the color coding. Yung red, yung even, yung odd naman is green. Tapos we have here the two buttons. Mayroon generate at donate. So, kung mag-donate kayo, we have PayPal and Cash. Ito guys. Then, click na ninyo PayPal if you want to send a donation. Also, yung GCash dito. Then, meron tayong website ng IM. Click na ninyo yan. Then, YouTube natin and Facebook. Subscribe and follow. Then, we have here the graph here. So, sa taas is add and even naman sa baba with corresponding quantity kung ilang peraso sa 15 rows. Then, in the left side, ito yung current result. Then, the previous result naman sa right side. And without further ado, mag-open tayo ng result. Yung 15, punta kayo sa account, then price opening, record, then i-refresh lang natin yan para makuha natin yung pinaka-latest na result. So, click lang ninyo, then hold, click, then right click, copy, then click lang ninyo So, subscribe mo na loads, YouTube channel, RHC Engineering. Pag i-okay natin yan, automatically ma-update yung graph natin. So, i-try natin mag-gaze. Although ano lang to, gaze lang talaga. As you can see ito, taas, baba, nagbaliktad siya, no? Tapos merong 5, kaso 5 na siya. So, wala na tayong magiging pattern. So, wait lang natin yan. Try natin mag-gaze. Gaze natin, ano na. So, pwede natin i-refresh. So, copy ulit natin. Naka 7, okay. Copy, then okay. Uy, add siya, oh. Ang haba ng add. So, mag-add tayo, guys. Try natin mag-add. Add. Add. Add sa task, guys. So, okay. So, wait lang natin kung tama yung ano natin, guys. Pero, eto, monitoring lang to, guys. So, wala tong ano, mga tricks. So, nag-base lang tayo dito sa graph. Okay? Now, wait lang natin to yung result natin, then mag-end ko na yung tutorial. So, we have 48 seconds to go. And 40 seconds, 30 seconds, 35 seconds. Ito ang magagandaan kasi medyo mas madaling tingnan yung pattern. See? So, for example, ito, merong apat din sa taas. So, probably, pwede niya gayahin yan. Ito, itong trapezoidal na yan. So, ginaya niya dito. Ang problema, hindi nga lang natin alam kung kailan lalabas. So, if you want, kung ano naman, success tayo guys, oh. Success. So, reply ko na yan. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel, RHC Engineering. And always remember guys, if you want money, don't play this game. And if not, play responsibly. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you and God bless.